It's Wednesday, September 28th. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just about to let them into the new area when I saw all these birds. They're all flocked around the cows. I wish I knew what kind of bird these were. Tiny blackbirds. There they go. I don't know what they're eating or why they're staying with the cows. I assume they're eating flies. At least I hope they are. That's the only thing I think birds like that could eat, other than seeds, and there's not a lot of seeds here. Anyway, the birds are rightfully cautious of me. I don't want to chase them away. Little tiny things. They have slightly long feathers in the tail, short wings. You can hear the sound they make. They're singing. They got to be eating bugs on the ground. That's what I see them pecking at the ground. They're doing something on the ground. Anyway, there's number 12 that had the poop on his head. I've decided not to feed them in this row, in this pasture. There's lots of grass here, a lot more than we had in the previous 3 moves, and previous 4 moves, I think. And so hopefully they'll have enough to eat. That's my hope. But I don't want to make them reliant on the feed. I do want them to graze more than eat. The grass is better for their stomachs than the grain is. Anyway, guys, these birds are amazing. I'll leave you with this picture. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.